In the middle of a snowstorm, a homeless woman gave birth on the sidewalk. When her cries faded into the cold night, 10 roaring engines appeared from the dark horizon. The streets of Denver were silent, snow covering everything. A young woman named Emily lay trembling on the frozen ground, clutching her belly, whispering, "Please not here," but fate had no mercy. Her screams echoed through the storm until the sound of a baby's cry broke. The night she held her newborn close, tears freezing on her cheeks, whispering, "You're my miracle." Her body weak, her breath fading. Then from the distance came the thunder of motorcycles, their headlights cutting through the storm. Who do you think they were? Tell me in the comments.